Top 10 Addiction Rehabs in Hollywood. Many different rehabs offer several treatments and programs, but every addiction is unique, and so it requires different levels of care depending on your necessary needs. To achieve long-lasting recovery from addiction, finding the right rehab is essential to your journey toward your brighter future. Here are the top 10 addiction rehabs in Hollywood. Number 10, Ambrosia Treatment Center. With highly experienced staff, they provide the best advanced addiction treatments, and their addiction specialists are hands-on in treating their patients successfully. They have many programs they offer, as they make sure to assess their clients' needs. Number 9, Exerted Recovery. Top-rated facilities and offers quality care and many different treatments for you and your loved ones. Their residential treatment comes with a relapse prevention program, as they believe that relapse is a common part of the recovery. Number 8, Serenity Oaks. With 7.5 acres of property, they ensure their clients' safety, comfort, and to be able to focus on their recovery. Combines traditional and innovative, as they provide a variety of treatments with the proven 12-step program for the foundation that would meet their patients' needs. Number 7, Recovery House 54. They offer low-cost residential treatments with great amenities and services, private space with food storage, safe neighborhood, and highly experienced on-site management. They provide different levels of care with 12-step fellowships like AA, NA, and CA. Number 6, My Psychiatrist. Provides expert and thorough assessments to properly address the client's struggle and needs, individualized medication management, and various options of therapeutic techniques. Flexible services and support are also provided to their clients. Number 5, Memorial Healthcare System. They help pregnant women who struggle with addiction. They offer both inpatient and outpatient care with caring professionals, offers a wide range of programs and scheduling options. Number 4, Recovery First Treatment Center, one of the leading drug and alcohol rehabs in Florida. Provides high-quality care with many different services, treatments, programs, therapies, and group activities. Their facilities also include indoor and outdoor recreational activities, mindful spaces, and a gym center. Number 3, JC's House. This center meets the highest standard for a quality addiction treatment center and client care. It is a Christian-based rehab center and a helping hand to individuals, and provides a safe and encouraging environment. Physical, mental, and spiritual are the focus areas of the treatment plans they offer, as they believe in treating the whole person for long-lasting sobriety. Number 2, Compassion Behavioral Health. Each of their clients will be provided a personalized plan that is tailored to their needed care and treatment. They also provide interactive groups on developing life skills that will greatly enhance their productivity, relationships, and careers. Relapse prevention is also offered, as well as necessary therapies for their clients. Number 1, United Recovery Project. They use a unique approach in treating their patients who are struggling with substance abuse disorder and addiction. Most of their staff are in recovery themselves, so they truly understand the struggle, challenge, and success of recovery. They offer luxury treatments, programs, with amazing facilities. In choosing the right addiction rehab, a peaceful, beautiful, comfortable, and supportive environment is where you should be while you're on your recovery. This helps greatly, together with the best treatments that are most suitable for you. If you have concerns, please contact us. Reach out on our 24/7 available hotlines. Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.